Marcus is the next artist.
Alright.
Marcus is now to Martis. He's a big artist.
You know me, this is what you
I'm style at there.
You know Friday is better than You know Friday is better than What you tell them? No, you tell them how far you go. You tell them.
How far you coming from?
Straight out of St. Elizabeth and Santa Cruz. I don't know anything about that. Chris, pick up yourself and you must know about this and see it in a real life. Anyway, yeah, DJ Global, run it on. Yeah, $1 million vibe. Yeah, level up top man and top up, so we have to represent in a real life. You know what I mean? You just don't drink a drug and you don't know say alone for your stick. No. You don't want to take out the phone, you can't take out the front now, see? Watch out. Yeah. Young and not silly, that's what it is. Get your money, stack your money, then you invest. Bad man, straight cash will not take check. How we clean to the poor, everything check. We full of girl in the country, we could cross the border. Girl love me like how grab a love the money, man, I'm born to the right way. But I don't close them, to make it joke, I put my teeth on my head, not friend. And no state, they got to keep your eyes open. But me got the less, I got no just for the rolling. Get the youth anything you want, let it go then. Yeah, $1 million vibe, watch out, yo, Chris. No give up, big like a finalist. Someone try to push me in at the ground, but I will try to live. Them no one will stop the bag, no one will like to dig. Bad mind, oh Lord, what I think. Man I lead, I'm enough follow, man I can't feel. Every day me pray to the Father to stop sin. Me not perfect, but me work it like acting. Man I born a shot, brother, feel dream. Sense me there, you said, real, you are my team. I feel make it out, is I impact thing. God by my side, me no need obia. Why them a try fight, see the one soldier. But me ready for them, brother, me no hold back. Stop feeling like a we run the whole block. We just a take time, I think we call up. Give thanks to your life, we not fall up. Cause of the life, love, no one understand they are life.
Please, don't stop. No, you. Now we are sorry to the time, so we tell you we have a lot of talent out there. Them artists have to go through the gate. Artists, let me left the rest to the judges. Yeah. Bad. No, you. Bad. That use represent fully strong. St. Elizabeth. Tell me something, how much are you alone for hours? Oh, no problem. Say that the performance excellent. No, don't worry yourself, but to me, as a judge, brother, the performance was excellent. You come to we are talking about and practicing a talk if on a foot, they will come to sit with you, we are going on, they're going to sit in that car. You see me? I like it. I see it, Joe, and make sure.
Yeah, here, when I think about the artist, give me a fire phone and then Dero says something about it. We like for the artist.
They're telling already, you know. You see, determination, brother. Perseverance, brother. Them two things that are the fuel you need for success, sir. You see? And the mere fact that the man left from so far, man.
St. Elizabeth,
the boss said for the man that's going to be easy and cool and deadly for the skill. So easy.
everything just put together.
Easy. The words, listen to everything them say. Don't feel like I get excited when they hear jiggy words. You don't get me excited. When they hear everything you say.
And then relax.
Next down for you, my guy. Next down for you.
Relax.
Yeah.
You hear everything. Clarity, rhythm gets shell, song well put together, message right, wow.
100% talent, Jamaica.